It is a time when we celebrate not only our faith, but also the rich cultural heritage that binds us as Filipinos, no matter where we are in the world. This year's Simbang Gabi holds special significance as it serves as a symbol of hope and unity amidst the challenges we have faced. It reminds us of the strength we draw from one another and the shared values that guide us. Let us take this opportunity to reflect on the blessings we have received and to extend our hands to those who may be in need. Together as Filipinos, let us celebrate our shared values and work towards a society where everyone feels valued and cared for, ensuring that no one is left behind. While distance may separate you from your loved ones at home, the spirit of Christmas brings us together in heart and in mind. I encourage you to connect with your families and friends, wherever they may be, through the wonderful technology available to us. Share your stories and smiles, laughter and cherished memories, even if it's only online. As we gather here tonight, I would like to take a moment to highlight an important upcoming event for our community, the election season in April to May 2025. The Philippine Embassy is eager to engage with all of you during this time as we work together to foster participation and awareness among our fellow Filipinos. This is an opportunity for our voices to be heard and to make a difference in shaping our future. The Commission on Elections, or COMELEC, through the Philippine Embassy, is looking for other means to make the process more convenient for overseas Filipinos. There will be a change in the mode of the way you will vote, and I assure you it will be more convenient for you. And we will be there to help you along the way. So we look forward for your active involvement and support as we embark on this journey together. Well, the church holds significant importance to our lives, serving not only as a place of worship or fulfilling our spiritual duties, but also as a vital sanctuary for our fellow Filipinos. It provides a welcoming environment where we can gather each weekend to strengthen our bonds as a community. We deeply value the role the church plays as it inspires collaboration towards shared goals and inspires one another to create a positive impact on those around us. As we approach the end of 2024, we reflect on the valuable support from our parishioners and your active participation in the Philippine Embassy programs throughout the year. You have consistently been our partner in sustaining our community's strength and in nurturing the spirit of bayanihan. Whether through volunteering, attending events, or providing resources, each act of kindness has played a vital role in building a resilient and compassionate Filipino community. As we look forward to the new year, we remain committed to fostering the spirit of togetherness. And I'm excited for the opportunities that lie ahead to further enrich the Filipino community's cultural and social fabric within the Filipino society. Thank you for your unwavering dedication and support. May the joy and peace of this season fill your hearts and your homes. Maraming salamat po